What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a couple coil machines from Nelson Rodriguez. You can find him on Instagram at NRTS_machines, and I believe you can find him on Facebook as well. His website is nrtsmachines.com. So I had actually found out about Nelson through a Facebook group. I had seen him posting some machines in there, and I've been looking to get a set of coil machines for a while, but I'm sure as many of you know, either you pay a low price and get a shitty machine, or you can get a high quality machine, but the price is going to be pretty hefty. So I saw him posting in these Facebook groups, and I decided to check him out, and it seems that he has good machines for a very reasonable price. So before I get into my machines and what I paid for them, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we got here. I just got these in, let's see, yesterday, and it was a custom order from him, and he got right to it and shipped them out immediately. I've bought a machine. I bought a liner kit from Adam Safari a few months ago, and wonderful machine, great build, but it was more expensive than these, and it took him a lot longer to get that machine to me. Now granted, Nelson is a newer builder on the scene, it seems, and of course Adam Safari's been around for a really long time, and so, you know, of course I'm sure he's got a much higher workload, a lot more orders coming his way. But let's go ahead and open this up, and as soon as we open it, you see he left us some badass stickers, which I always appreciate. Got a cool little devil guy with his this is one of Nelson's actual like specialty builds, the 5-pointed star machine there. And got another one here, Panther. That one's fucking sick. That is badass. And another one here with his signature frame, the pentagram. So let's get right into it and see what we've got here. What I've been waiting on. I've been really excited to get these. So let's see. Wow. All right. Beautiful. These were custom built. I actually had seen a set that he did just like this on his Instagram, and I asked him if he had it available, and he said no, but he would make me my own set, and that's what he did. So first up, this looks like the liner here. Really nice weight to it. Beautiful, just like simple, torched blue. Craftsmanship looks really nice. Very nice. All right. And let's see, next up should be my shader here. And there it is. Also beautiful. Let's see. I'm not sure what size coil wraps he has on these, but any questions, you can always check him out, check out his website. I'm gonna have the link in the description for both his Instagram and his website. But this is what we've got in the box. Two beautiful machines. So I will be I have a piece that I'm doing later, and I will be testing these out on that piece, and I'll be filming that as well, and we'll get to dive a little further deep into it. But so far, I mean, these are really nice machines, beautiful. The only thing that's a little bit odd to me is whatever material he put on these wing nuts. It's kind of like it's like a fake gold plating, but it has an interesting texture to it, but I'm not mad at it. Yeah, they're fucking beautiful. They're exactly what I wanted. Torched blue. So I'll be back in just a little bit with a video of how they look being put to work. All right, so we're all set up. About to do this on Zach. This is how the line work came out.
Shit comfortable as hell right now, man.
Okay, so you guys got to see these things in action a little bit and see how the turnout was. And you know, I'm still a first year artist, so I'm not necessarily the best example of what these things might be capable of, but I enjoyed them. I forgot to mention earlier that I paid $550 for the set, and he has Afterpay available, which did make it a little bit more expensive because I had to do it through the website, and that added tax to it. But I believe if you can pay in full, he will totally take payments through Apple Pay and Zelle and whatnot. The one thing I noticed about these machines is I had to run them at a much higher voltage than I was expecting, which I'm not sure if that has to do with my power supply, or maybe I assume that these came tuned. So, you know, I just run it, turn up the voltage until it starts hitting nice, and then I just kind of like adjust it from there, very minor adjustments. And so this is my machine from Adam Safari that I put together myself, and this is I love this little guy. And so just for, you know, comparison, I suppose. But yeah, that's my review and unboxing for these Nelson Rodriguez tattoo machines. I'll have a few links in the description, and stay tuned for more work. All right.